rangba ka jala u Conrad ki sangma menta ka khandru tari ujamang arja at pholai ula ong ba unle jurep Shen Thain Khanduli ka ba mi ka jinga kan at ha ka te ka Thain khapun u menteri rangba ula ong menta ka khandru tari ujamang arja at pholai ba ka jingja ka de shibenta ka jingshim khia ka sarkar ban penbet yo kot usam.
We are going to meet in a couple of weeks, definitely before the month end. We have also decided together that a joint visit will be made, especially to these sensitive zones, to build up the confidence of the people and also to ensure that we ask our respective administrations and our respective citizens and respective areas and officials concerned to restrain from any kind of action that could lead to situations getting tense. So we will be making a joint visit to these locations. Not all, but to certain locations.
Whether this kind of incident will affect this second phase of...
For the last 50 years, these things have been going on. What we need to understand is that the reason the border talks are going on is precisely so that these kind of incidents don't. You have to understand that that is exactly what the objective is. Today, these kind of incidents are happening because there is areas of differences. So we realize that it is even more important for us to now try and find a solution at the earliest so that none of these kind of incidents happen in the future.
Okay, so